Color before. I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Alright, and now we are done, and this is the water after the rinse. Hey, yo, what's happening? I wanted to do an ACV rinse for a very long time. It's been a few months now. And I finally got around to trying out an inflatable wash basin, and I'm going to be using this today with some scalding hot water and some apple cider vinegar with some baking soda and some essential oils to give myself a nice long deserved soak of the locks. Always remember to bootleg some movies when you're doing this. I am doing a ACV rinse, and you can see here the water is clear and hot, piping hot. And I got some apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put 1 cup of this in there. Got my towel ready to go. I also got my baking soda. I'm gonna do 1 cup of baking soda today, whatever this is called, apple cider vinegar. And I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Just put that in there. And for the baking soda, you know what? I'm gonna put in some essential oils in there just for the hell of it, because I got tons. And I'm just gonna grab one of these maybe. Here. These are always good. This is the beard oil, jojoba based. So I can always add a few drops of this in here. However much I really want, actually. I'm gonna put quite a bit. Okay. Just kind of mix this up. And then it's time to get my hair in there. So let's go, 30 minutes. Color before. I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Essentially, you want to soak all your dreadlocks in the solution for about half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour, however long you really want to do it. Make sure you get all your locks down submerged, but do be careful of the scalp, because this is extremely hot water. You don't have to go extremely hot, but the hotter you go, be more aware of your scalp, because if it dips too deep, then it will scald and burn, and that's not fun, you know what I'm saying? So it is a good time to do this once every season. That's once every like 3 to 4 months. And gauge how dirty the water gets after. I know that apple cider solution does tinge the water a little bit, but after I take my dreads out, it does get noticeably different. And what can you really do while you're in this position? I mean, it came down to me listening to a movie and going on my cell phone and watching some TikTok videos and replying to some messages that I have made on the social mediums. But sometimes if you have a friend around, this does help engage in conversation. But I feel like the movie does do the best, and preferably something educational, you know, put on a podcast or something. But I was quite comfortable in this position. Yo, this basin is actually really sick. It's really comfy. It does get the majority of my hair. in the water. I started at 11:56. The only thing is it doesn't get the scalp. And you don't really want it to because it is really hot, the water. And I did touch my scalp a couple times by accident, and you gotta be careful of burning yourself.
And this video couldn't be possible without Dreadlock Growth 420, the ultimate in cannabis hair product growth essentials to help your dreadlocks grow faster while inhaling the THC compounds of the cannabis plants. Get yours at hairgrowth420.com. Not.
Alright, I'm about 25 minutes in. I'm gonna go for another 5 more minutes and then take this out. Alright, and now we are done, and this is the water after the rinse. So you can see that there is a lot of dirt that came out of there for sure. Definitely a lot of dirt because that water is cloudy. Wow, that's wild. Alright, this is the final verdict. After I dumped the water through the neat little valve at the bottom of the water basin, I went and wrapped my hair up in a towel so it didn't drip, and then I immediately took a shower and washed out all the vinegar, and then also washed my scalp with some bar soap, organic bar soap, and I rinsed everything out thoroughly. So I did reset the pH with that wash afterwards. Ideally, I would have liked to have used aloe vera gel right now to re-moisturize and rejuvenate everything, but I do feel like another wash is due soon, so I'm gonna try and repeat this process again in about 21 days just to see how the water is in comparison to it 3 weeks prior in this video that we currently did. But other than that, my hair feels great. I'm super happy that I did the ACV rinse today because, you know, it can be hard to bring yourself to do it. But once you get started with the process, it does go by pretty quick, and it is worthwhile afterwards. So once you have mature locks, you know, around 8 months to a year, and they're long enough to dip into a tub, go for the ACV rinse for sure. And if your dreadlocks are short and you still want to experience an ACV rinse, consider just pouring the solution through your hair a few times and reusing it that way. And get creative. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, one love, stay happy and natty, I'm God.